Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We're going to be looking at ICP in this video, but before we jump into it, please consider subscribing. It helps with the channel and you can learn how to trade and stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Now, ICP at the beginning, it opened and then immediately just dumped. IP opened around $625 and now is sitting at around $60 with a low of around $26.80. With a drop that hard, we can easily see it come back that high. If it can drop that far, that fast, it can drop that. It can go up that fast. Drop 95%. We had a head and shoulders play, and that was confirmed with increasing volume and a break over the neckline. Now, what we got to look for is a break of this downtrend. Now that we have a downtrend in place, I do really expect it to continue lower. This could be a nice bull pennant or bear pennant, excuse me. Now we have decreasing volume on these two green candles, which is not a good sign. We want to see increasing volume to the upside to kind of reverse this trend. But where could we go? If we break this low of around $53, we have room down to 48, and then room down to 38. I really wouldn't be touching it if we break this low. If we break it, then I would be looking to buy somewhere around 48 to 38. Again, those support levels. And then 190, and then 200. ICP could easily rip and run, considering ICP is one of the best cryptocurrencies out there. It's up there. It's in my top 3 favorite cryptocurrencies. I'm willing to overlook that all of the private investors did sell out of it because what they're trying to do is absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and look at the previously at world-leading institutions are contributing to the internet computer. Apple, Google, Microsoft, IBM, Intel, Amazon, Coinbase, Verizon, Facebook. This is a lot of very, very good people. They have around, I think, 200 people on their expert team right now. They want to double that within the next 5 years. And with ICP wanting to basically replace the internet, so they're trying to solve a problem. Let's talk about the problem. The problem is that all the internet providers could stop providing internet for the cryptocurrency miners and people who run the actual blockchain. Now with ICP, they want to create a totally decentralized internet, basically, where they can't do that. So with the power, this is absolutely huge and has huge scalability. Basically, with ICP, they have unlimited scalability. ICP wants to make a brand new decentralized internet, so that's definitely something that we need to watch. And I'm still looking to buy. As long as I'm looking to buy anywhere, ICP, really any price, but the best price is right now. I could easily see ICP being absolutely huge in the coming months and years to come. With their tokenomics, they're going to decrease the supply by 10% annually and then eventually drop it down to 5% annually. So with a supply of around almost $500 million, we could easily see this start to increasingly drop and the price increasingly rise. Let's just go ahead and jump over to the weekly time frame and just try to see what's going on. So we had nice just double bottom, increase in price, but then we saw a drop in volume, and there's the drop that we're getting. Now that we have increasing volume to the downside with I guess it's not a pivot low because this made a new high. I do expect it to pull back more, maybe to $50. Maybe we want to see decreasing volume with the coming weeks for the maybe ABC move, break the downtrend, and break up to those price targets of ICP. On the monthly, we don't have much time to work with, and we do have 18 days left on this candle. We did get increasing volume on this bullish pattern. Since we have 18 days left, I don't want to see next month at least, a pivot high. If we see a pivot high, then we're coming lower, which a pivot high is a 3-bar candle play where the middle candle is higher than the 2 candles before and after it, and the low is higher than the candles before and after, and this could indicate a higher high. And here we have a pivot low, and we moved, and I do think that we're going to continue to have this pivot low and move higher since we have 18 days left and all of next candle. So I do think we're going to break this downtrend, maybe start cupping, and maybe potentially have a cup and handle as it comes in forms of those at that open price of around $624. Jump to the hourly chart. So let's jump in what's going on. We had increasing volume on this candle with a really long wick to the upside. This is telling me that, you know, we might see a pullback here in the next few hours if you're able to catch us early, maybe down to around $58, $57. At our $50 price level, we should see a lot of volume coming in, a lot of buyers looking to buy because it's a natural mental support. And who doesn't want to get ICP at $50? That's really going to be it. Thank you guys so much. My price prediction really for the end of the year could be back up in those $100 to $200 range, maybe even higher. Anything is possible in the crypto market, especially for ICP with the foundation that they have. This is one that I'm definitely loading up on while it's cheap. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps with the channel, and you can stay up to date on your favorite cryptocurrencies. Love y'all. Peace.